Hello friends, this video is specially for supervisors who want to have a look at the attendance and time recording before they approve timesheets. This video will help you to understand the pattern through which your subordinates have entered time, and accordingly you could instruct them to mark their leave wherever absence has been noticed by the system. Let us log into the system first. You must be familiar where it takes you to the home page. Now click on My Team, select Organizational Hierarchy and select one of your reportees. Having selected, you can choose from the top right hand corner black label, choose calendar, and for better observations I am choosing October. You can see that the calendar is visible for you for your particular reportee for the entire month. Now here you see different colors. The legend for these colors are given below. Let us take each one by one and show you how the data is actually captured in the system. Now remember, this is a consolidation of data that is entered either through web or through your mobile or through bulk attendance. So all of this is consolidated for a day and represented to you in the form of a table. Now let's take 7th of October for this particular person. You will see on the right hand side that for this person the total number of scheduled hours was 8 and the person has logged in more than 8 hours, 9.5. So this is a case where there is no action required from the supervisor. Now let us take this dark red case. Now you click on 6, you will be able to see that the actual hours entered by your subordinate is less than 8 hours and more than 7.5 hours. So it is treating this difference as late. If you go into in-out option, you will be able to exactly see the login time and logout time, and go back to summary and choose the view modify option. The system has perceived this half an hour as late and it has perceived the second session as present. You can choose to ignore or you can add a comment here. If your subordinate consistently is coming late to the office and you have observed it more than 3 to 4 times, for a particular date you could choose and ask your subordinate to apply for half a day leave. But in this case I am not going to do anything. If you click on this dialog box, you will exactly see the date on which the attendance was actually recorded by your reporting. Let me take a case where there is a sand color which represents more than or less than 7.5 hours of time that is logged. If I click on this, you will be able to see that your subordinate has entered only 5.82 hours, and this is perceived as by the system. Person has logged in at 11:41 a.m. and logged out at 5:30 p.m. and the system has perceived this as half a day leave. Morning session it is perceived as leave and afternoon session it is perceived as present. If you feel that you can give the benefit of doubt to your subordinate, you could choose this option and change this to present, or if you want this to be as absent, you could update the comment here as you could update the component as please mark this absence as leave and you can submit it. Then this instruction will go to your subordinate who will understand that he has to explicitly raise a leave request. Remember, even though that the system has perceived this as leave, it does not raise a leave record, but this can be automated if we define the leave rules properly. So this gives you a clear idea of how a particular reportee has entered his time. Now this may look a little cumbersome for you if you have too many reportees on your table. So for this purpose, if you go back to your screen and once again choose my team and check out the reports option, there is an option to generate absence without leave application. I have already generated this report for this demo purposes, and you can see that it gives you a report for all the days where the subordinates or your reportees have not marked their attendance or missed out, or there is a late, or the system has perceived them as half a day leave. And again I am saying, remember that these are the days where they have explicitly not gone and approved or not raised a leave request. Now looking at this report, you can make a judgment call and then go into the calendar against a particular person, and you can instruct them either to apply for leave, or you could use your judgment to convert the leave as present or mark them as late. So this gives you an opportunity to make a judgment call before you approve the timesheet. I understand that most of the supervisors are very busy and it is difficult for you to remember to generate this report. So in view of this, what has been done is that this report is automatically generated and pushed into your mailboxes every Friday, so that it makes your life easier, where you can check your mail and make this judgment call. I hope this video will be useful for you in making a judgment call in approving your reportees' attendance and timesheets. Thank you.